gonna be March in a couple of days. Finally! Oh, hi friends! Today we will draw many cute pictures to celebrate the upcoming spring. Sammy, show them what you've got.
First, we need a lot of paper, then regular markers, and the glittery ones. Also colorful pencils and crayons.
Awesome! Let's get started. This drawing is gonna be pretty simple. First, I will give the letters glittery shades, with my favorite colors, of course. You can use as many of them as you want. I really like this shiny silver color. And what about you? What colors are your favorite? Spring is all about nature's awakening and lots of leaves and greenery and stuff. So yeah, let's draw a few green twigs here and there with tiny green leaves.
Well, how is it going so far?
What's with the outfit?
You know, green leaves, then flowers, then bees.
Drawn bees don't sting.
Oh, right.
Oh, Sammy. I'm using different shades of green here, as you can see. And I like how it's turning out. The final touch is a nice inscription, and it's done. A drawing like this can easily become a nice card for your friends.
When spring comes, various flowers begin to bloom. It smells amazing! Whee!
You're right. Oh, Flower Fairy. I know exactly what we should draw next. Don't worry, friends. These are not just pink dots. Can you already see the roses here? Pretty and simple, right? Now, let's add a little bit of grass to make this picture look like a real rose bed. And that's it.
This is amazing! It is like I am in the beautiful meadow right now.
For our next drawing, we need a regular pencil and a cutter.
Please, be careful.
I will be, I promise. Now, I will get a little bit of pencil lead, like this. And with a dry Q-tip and an easy movement, I'll draw a circle. Well, friends, can you guess what a fluffy creature I'm drawing here? The white pen will help add a few accents. And I'm doing this to make this little kitten's fur look more natural. You're such a cutie. Kittens are the best.
Hey, what about little rabbits?
Only if they're pink. And thanks for the idea. Friends, watch closely. I'm going to show you an easy way to draw a very cute little rabbit. I want to add a few pink accents since it's my favorite color. Sam loves it too, of course. Now let's color the carrot with yellow, and orange, and green. This little rabbit loves you all! Do you love how he turned out, friends? Then give us a thumbs up!
He is super awesome, Susie! Come on, I've got more carrots!
And I've got more ideas for easy drawings. We'll make this one with crayons. And it will be a picture of a beautiful rainbow. As soon as we're done with the color, we need a Q-tip again. Now I'm using a special texture paste to work up the clouds. It's pretty easy, just a few short movements like this. Let's add some color to the clouds too. I just love this sound. We can get even more creative. And voila! Isn't she gorgeous?
Is it night already? I'm so sleepy. Good night, everyone.
Sammy, are you kidding me? We're not even halfway through yet.
Oh, keep drawing then.
Yeah. I know that we already drew a kitty today. But there can't be too many of them, right? These are 3 little brothers, but each of them will have his own fur color. I want to make this sleepyhead an entirely ginger cat. And the youngest Meow brother will be gray with a few stripes.
They are meow-mazing, Sue. I'm gonna pour them some milk.
We've got a lot of cats already, but we haven't drawn any puppies yet. But that can be easily fixed. This doggy will stand in a kind of unusual pose, but a very funny though. And now, to the coloring. Well, what do you say, Sammy?
I'd say...
These are not just dots, friends. These are people. You don't believe me? And how about now? Look, each one of them is doing something interesting. These two could be on a date. Now we need a Q-tip again to make shadows. This way. That's quite an easy way to draw a whole crowd of people, huh? They are all probably walking in a park.
Or they all could be doing sports or something. We all need to be in for sports to stay healthy. Yay!
Oh, Sammy! Sometimes you sound like a true philosopher. Can you guess what I'm drawing now? I'll give you a hint. It's a plant. Pandas like to eat it. Yep, that's right. This will be a little bamboo thicket. Or, well, a tiny sacred place surrounded by bamboo plants. Just a little more details and this drawing will be ready. Shades of green are so soothing. This drawing will look good on a kitchen wall, for example.
I'll call this masterpiece a bamboo chill.
Here we go with drawing people again. But this time, this will be a couple of ballet dancers. Oh, they are so graceful, aren't they? Let's not forget about shades. Otherwise, it will look like they're just floating in the air. I love the result. And this is how the letter R turns into a picture. We will only make a few tiny amendments to it. This will be a little smiley girl who happens to wear a raincoat. The finishing touch, red rain boots. She seems to be fond of any type of weather, right?
You keep working and we will go for a walk. No rainy day can scare us.
Alrighty, I'm using colorful crayons again. Just look at this color, friends. Is it awesome or what? Sometimes your fingers can be a painting tool, too. This is probably the most tricky part in this drawing. And just like that, we've got ourselves a tree.
This is exactly like the wonder tree I saw in my dream. Yay!
Okay, I also can show you an easy way to draw one of my favorite gal pals. I'm sure you all know who this is. We will use some yellow for her hair. And some blue for her beautiful dress.
Elsa, I didn't know you also will be here today.
We drew some bamboo today and it made me thinking, why not draw a cute panda as well? It's really easy. An eraser will help us make the eyes. All we've left to do now is just outline the contours. And add a few fluffiness to this big guy's fur. Oh, hi, Mr. Panda. Sammy, come say hi to him, too.
Hello, my new best friend. Come on, I'll show you around. We've got some bamboo.
And I will show you one more easy way to draw a rose. We already drew a few today, remember? My favorite roses are red, so I will make this one red too. Hey, how about checking out all our drawings again? Oh, this is amazing! We created so many beautiful pictures today. I'm sure it will make spring come sooner. Give a like to this video, and don't forget to join us in the next one. Bye!